Hello there. Look at this beautiful rain out here. It's beautiful. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Beautiful. Don't you just enjoy the peace, the transparency, the flow? Just hear it and connect with it. Beautiful. Look at this. It's just beautiful out here. It's just rain. Right in my backyard. Oh. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just the perfect to meditate. You ever thought of meditating out when it's raining like this? It's just perfect. Clears your mind. Let it go. Let it go. Let it wash away. Wash away all those thoughts not needed. Clear your mind. Think about how beautiful Mother Nature is and how blessed we are to have her here pouring on this H2O for us. Very, very hydrating. Very hydrating, that's the word. I love it. Hydration time here on Earth. Oops, sorry. I just love the greens and watching this. It's just